Today, we're going to make a crazy umbrella game in Scratch. Imagine in a rainy day and your umbrella is flying all over the place. You trying to stay under the umbrella so you don't get wet. By the end of this video, you'll be able to build your own fun umbrella game just like this one. Let's get started. First, let's upload a rainy backdrop. Next, we will upload all the sprites for the game. We need 3 sprites. The boy is the main character that you control in this game. The umbrella will protect you from the rain. And add the rain sprite, which will fall from the sky. Let's start with the umbrella and make it move randomly. When the green flag is clicked, go to the starting position. Make the umbrella show and set it to a larger size. Then use a forever loop. First wait for 1 second and then glide to a random X position. This will make the umbrella fly left and right across the screen. Next, let's add controls for the boy. When the green flag is clicked, go to the starting position, bring the boy to the front layer and set the size to 70%. Then, set the rotation style so the boy only turns left or right when moving. Now add a forever loop. If the right arrow key is pressed, point in direction 90 degrees and move to the right. If the left arrow key is pressed, point in direction -90 degrees and move to the left. Now you can control the boy and chase the umbrella. Now, let's make the rain fall from the sky. When the green flag is clicked, make the rain height at the beginning and set the size to 30%. Then use a forever loop, wait for a random period, and then create a clone of the rain. When the rain starts as a clone, go to a random position at the top of the sky, then make it show up. Next, use a forever loop to make the rain glide down the bottom of the screen. We also want the rain to disappear at the right time. When I start as clone, if the rain touches the umbrella or the edge, delete the clone. Now, the umbrella can block the rain. Let's try it. To make the game more interesting, we can create a timer to track how long the player survives. When the green flag is clicked, set time to 0. Then use a forever loop. Increase timer by 1 every 1 second. Next, let's create a variable to track how many times the rain hits the boy. Now, go back to the rain sprite. When the green flag is clicked, set life variable to 3. And if the rain touches the boy, decrease life by 1 and delete the clone. To end the game, let's go back to the boy sprite. When the green flag is clicked, use a forever loop. If life is reduced to 0, make the boy say, "I'm all wet," for 2 seconds and then stop the game. And that's it. You just created your own crazy umbrella game in Scratch. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next game.